Hey guys, it's Calvin here. Let's go over some of these charts. What an ugly day, guys. Nice sell-off in Apple and some of the major indexes here. Let's first look at the SPY, which mirrors the S&P 500. I actually called, I was kind of dead wrong here. I called for a pause day, but we gapped below all these levels. But we did hit my gap fill, and we had a nice bounce. This is looking pretty ugly now, guys, because we actually confirmed below the 50-day moving average. So this is a downtrend chart now. We're starting a downtrend. So you wouldn't necessarily short here. You would actually probably wait for a pattern, retrace into probably gap fill, which is the 143 level, with these moving averages come down. By that time, you'd probably see like a death cross, similar to what we saw in Amazon and Apple. They're all starting to downtrend. So these are leading stocks, guys. You have to look out for the leading stocks to give you early indication that this market is probably going to roll over. This sell-off was pretty severe. So right now we might get a little bounce here off gap fill, but right now I'm waiting for a retrace to short this market. I'm a small trade right into gap fill. That's my level. Maybe a time count, a bearish retrace, some small candles here. Retracing, maybe grab a fib. Let's grab a fib retrace and see what kind of fib. Maybe it's a 382, and there it is, guys. 382, perfect 382 retrace into gap fill. That would be a beautiful shorting opportunity. Let's look at Apple, guys. As you guys know, I'm already in Apple with the 535 naked put. We had a dead cat bounce yesterday into a back test, actually, of this trend line. Look, guys, whenever you break a trend line, it's not uncommon where it wants to actually back test it, and that's all it did yesterday. It was a nice bounce, nice reversal, but it actually just back tested this trend line, and we're falling once again. So I think actually, to me, it looks like 600 is a magnet. It just wants to be tested, I think. But you know, there's gonna be bounces on the way down, guys. I mean, there's a gap fill coming up. I might even take that for a short a scalp long with some calls. But we'll have to see how it plays out, guys. I mean, you have to trade the price action, and that's the only way to really do it here. Right now, my levels are the same, guys. These levels are still holding. The next level on Apple is actually, I think, the gap fill right here, around this level right here, around my next red line. I'm sorry, right here, around 605, I believe. 600, roughly the 600 level, I think, is the next target, because once these levels are hit, I don't trust them on the second hit on the way down. So we now have to look maybe this $600 even number level, and the 200-day moving average will probably meet up at that time. So I think this is going to be solid support, guys, on Apple. Let's look at Amazon really quick. I did call for that Amazon actually hit support here, guys, and it's actually it bounced nicely off my levels right here, guys. Just bouncing beautifully. The charts never lie, guys. The charts looking great on, not looking too great here. It's getting a downtrend on Amazon. All the leading stocks. Let's look at Google. Google reported missed earnings, and it's just all these charts, guys, are continue to look weak. They can't get it out of its own way. Look at these baby little small bounces, guys. And these moving averages are starting to come down, guys. Now, guys, it's time to be very cautious. I'm being extra cautious. That's why I'm selling out of the money puts way out. I mean, these are way out, guys. And I'm right now, currently, I'm just waiting for a setup to go short. Some good setups would be the SPY, like I mentioned before, a nice retrace. So that's what I'm looking for, guys, on the current charts right now. So I will update you guys. I didn't do any trades today, but I will update you guys with that. Right now, that bull put spread, I didn't get the cover turn into a spread yet. So in a week, ugly day, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. We are into support, and as I mentioned before, guys, my master level is the 140. I think this should get a bounce here at 140 for sure. I think I will definitely do some along some calls this area right here for day trade. So guys, I hope you have a good one. Trade it well. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.